Oh, fuck! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great day or a great week, great month, great year, whatever. Just hope you're doing good. A lot of stuff's been going on lately. Just really haven't had the time. Wow, my camera's messed up. Haven't really had the time to do anything. Just been kind of working a lot, trying to catch up on a good downfall from the corona. But I ordered some parts a couple weeks ago, and then it's like every day this week a new part has showed up. And the stuff that I ordered, I wanted to take to work and paint. So I ordered a track bar. I ordered an adjustable track bar, an intake horn, gearbox brace, some radiator coolant or some radiator hoses, and the intake horn and the track bar came in. So I took both of those to work and I painted them. So I will show you guys the track bar. The intake horn is what we're going to be doing today, but this is the track bar. I powder coated it sky blue, and I powder coated this at my own work. I didn't actually paint it though. I was busy painting other stuff at work, but I had our guy in the back shoot it for me. But that's this guy. I'll put a link in the description to this. This was actually pretty cheap. It's got a nice heim joint on it. It's good quality. So we'll do this one in a separate video. But today, like I said, we're going to be doing this guy. Gonna be shooting this, I already shot it. I'm gonna be doing this intake horn. So we will put this on. I'm gonna let the truck cool down for a sec because I literally just got off work. It's been a long week, and let the thing cool down for a sec, and then we're gonna get to it. All right, so we just went and got some tools. I had to find my key for the shed, and we are going to get this thing busted out of here. I gotta find my impact 1/4 inch. Alright, so we got the old intake horn off. I'm going to clean up this gasket, get it off here. There's all kinds of stuff in there. When you guys are cleaning this, just make sure you don't drop anything down in here, because whatever you drop in here, this engine, intake, whatever, it's going to go wherever it wants. So I'm going to clean this up real quick. Like I said, I'm going to be careful, clean it up, and then we're going to start putting this new guy in. Guys, this is just my kind of luck. So I open up the bag to get the gasket out. The bag ripped faster than I intended. The bracket falls all the way down in there. So to get a coat hanger, I had to fish the damn thing out. This is just my luck. It really is. So that kind of put a little bit of extra time on it. It's dark out, pitch black almost. I got my light going. Just trying to get this thing done and upload it tonight so I can keep giving you guys some content. But I got this we're doing right now. I got a gearbox over there that they just came in the mail. They sent me the gearbox brace, but no hardware, nothing for the spindle on the gearbox, none of that. Then I got the track bar, and then we're gonna get some other stuff going too. So got this gasket on right now. I cleaned up pretty good around there, and I got to put some lines on here and swap a sensor over, and we're gonna get it going. All right, so for some of you guys, I thought this might be some good information. When you go to put a different intake, like if you're putting like a Banks or anything else or whatever, any like eBay kind, which what this one is, this is just an eBay kind. It's like 78 bucks, and I did a lot of research on them. A lot of people say they're pretty good. People have had them on for like 5 years, they're doing great. But anyway, this is just your EGR probe. It should for the temp. It's EGR temp sensor. So if you're pre-deleted, you won't need this. So I'm gonna get rid of it. We don't need it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that in case some of you guys were looking at it thinking, where the hell does this go? The only spot on there on the new intake horn, that is just for your map. That's it. So I ended up cleaning mine up a little bit. Just want to, you know, while I'm there, why not? But we're that just goes right there on the bottom. All right, so yeah, it's in. I got one bolt here, one there, one here, one here, and then one in the back. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts total, and then it comes with a bracket for the dipstick. That just pretty much. All right, let's see what we can do here. This is a horrible road right here, so I doubt you're gonna be able to hear anything. All I'm doing is spinning, trying to go down the road. It's raining, but we'll you guys just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick when I get to work. I'll pop the hood, show you guys what it looks like in the daylight. All right, guys, well, that is the finished product. That's what it looks like in the daylight. These two are not the same color, but I'm gonna get the same color. I'm looking at some valve covers right now, tap covers, whatever, and in the mindset for that, I got a new intake coming in, and we're gonna pull some shit off this side and paint all that too. But yeah, real cheap, good weld. I mean, there's some really good weld marks on there. You know, they're not all separated and holes in it and shit, so that looks good. This dipstick plate, you probably can't see it, but we have a clear sparkle, and I just kind of wanted to see what it looked like. The kid at my work did his bike frame like that. It was actually pretty sweet. So this has got a clear little sparkle to it in the sunlight. I'm going to hop on the expressway. We're gonna go up north and go hang out with some friends for the night. I'll do one highway pull real quick on there. I did do some highway pulls in my last video, so if you wanted to, you could watch and listen to the comparison on it. But stay tuned. I got some work coming up over the winter, or once it gets real cold out here and I'm done, once I get another car to drive. I'm pulling this to my buddy's house, and the axles are coming off. I'm gonna redo the whole lift, do some new I don't know, I might go bigger. I might go to a leveling kit. Comment below what you guys think I should do. Maybe some of your personal opinions or experiences with leveled and what size wheels and tires, or lifted on what size, and what you guys went with for shocks and coils. I've been doing a lot of research on it. So yeah, the axles are coming off regardless though. I'm gonna probably try and maybe rebuild them, put new seals and stuff in, powder coat everything, but everything on this truck underneath is gonna get taken off. So stay tuned. But other than that, I also have, we're gonna do the track bar, the gearbox brace, and some other little odd and end things. But if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you turn the bell on so that way you guys can be alerted when these videos come up. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your guys' night or day, whatever time it is you guys are watching it, and I'll see you later.